Right now, keep your distance and cover your mouth. There's some things that you shouldn't have done. You weren't trying to lead anyone. Jealousy is something that grows on its own. In September, you planted a seed unintentionally from a garden of pavement, and weeds bloomed a beautiful flowering face, towering over you, blocking the sun. But you can't make it go away in the cold December rain. When the one thing you can't give is the only thing she wants. Now you're choking on pollen perfume with her leaves wrapped around your neck. Cut the stem, pull the roots out from under, you're over it. She's not the one you said you loved, like a boy with no clue. But you can't make it go away in the cold December rain. When the one thing you can't give is the only thing she wants. And gold, you know, you lost like pollen turned to dust, like rain, like rust, for both of us. Call a doctor and straighten this out, were the words that came tumbling out your mouth like a sword, like a plow, and the fly